Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here with another trading video, guys. I hope your Monday was good. Your trading day was awesome. You made some money. If you lost, I know the struggle. Hey, keep pushing and you will win. You know what I mean? We don't let L's take us down or keep us down. But if you won, congratulations. Keep pushing because the losing day will come. But keep winning until that losing day come. But then when you lose, get back up and keep winning. Yeah. But anyways, hope your weekend was good as well. So this video right now, I am about to show you the strategy that I use. If you watch my day 1 through day 9 video trading platinum, I trade platinum 99.9999999% of the time. I love the way platinum moves. It moves all night, all day. It don't move as fast, throughout the night, but if you want to get in there and make 20, 30, 40 bucks, 100 bucks quick, you can do it, man. So this video right here, I am going to show y'all the strategy that I use: trend line, break and retest, support and resistance zones. So let's get straight to it, guys. I don't want to hold you up. Let's go. All right, so we have a clear chart, and I replayed this back to February 23rd. February, not my bad. I'm tired. September 22nd, 2023. My bad. I don't know where I got that date from. I don't know. I'm tripping. But I wasn't go back further, but you see all these gaps. This is the futures market, the stock market. Look at all these gaps. I can't backtest that. I can't. So the best spot was this area right here, and I stopped it right here. But I want it started on a Sunday, so I'm going to keep pushing forward until I see a Sunday. Is that cool with y'all? But look at all these gaps. So we might have to do it on a 4-hour. So we'll see. It works on a 4-hour too. It's a lot of gaps. All right, we're Sunday, 6 o'clock, guys. So I like to trade between, like I said, if I see it set up at 7:30, I'm getting in. If I see it set up at 10 p.m., I'm getting in. I try not to get in around 6, but, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Take an L, learn, and then find another time to get in and control your risk. But let's start off like this. It's 6 o'clock, so we're going to see if we can get it set up. Normally, I drop down to the 15 minutes or the hour. But because these gaps are crazy, I can't do that. So we're going to stay on the 4 hours. So this is how you draw your support zones, right? So you grab your tool, the rectangle tool. Support is what? The floor. So you want where the nearest price is located, which is this area. And I know a lot of people, a lot of traders, they try to create their support level right here. Like, they just like the end of the body of the wick, and that's it. Like, no, I need this. I want, some space. So when it get into this middle of the zone where I set my alerts, I can be looking for potential buys at the support. Or if it breaks, come back up. For example, say this came down, boom, I'm looking for buys. But say it do this, came back down, fight the zone getting weaker, break, come back up, I'm looking for sales. You know what I mean? But because this zone gave me enough space, comfort, this is my comfort area, I don't like drawing tight support levels or resistance zones levels, whatever you want to call them. So, yeah. All right, so, boom, we got our support. Then we go for our resistance. Nearest, I'll go right here. And I'll do something like, that's too wide. I'll do something like this. Boom. All right. So price either going up, going down, or consolidating. When it's consolidating, we're not looking for trades, correct? So what I'm looking for is for price to come down here and bounce back up, or come down here. If it's a strong bearish movement, I'm not looking for no buys. I'm gonna just sit out and wait because it's a potential. There's a potential that it could break through the support level because of the momentum and the volume of that bearish movement. You got it? Hopefully that makes sense. So, how can you draw a trend line? You want to draw a trend line from the lowest swing, right? Probably not that. You can do it down here if you want. But I like it more like this. Boom. And I try to not cut through the bodies, but make sure this trend line is touching these wicks. I know there's some trend lines that's like this. You know, you just want that one wick, whatever. I don't know. I just try to touch multiple wicks. So it touched this wick, bounce, this wick, reject. You getting in. We know about the 3 touches. If it touched the trend line 3 times with a wick rejection, whatever, you know it's going in that direction. But sometimes it can, be a fake out. So you got to be careful. That's why I love using support and resistance levels for fake outs. All right, so let's see what happens. So let's draw another zone down here, which I like. Oh, another thing. If it breaks, right, this is point A. Let's see. Point A, capital. Point A. Point B. Point C. Maybe I make these a little smaller. Probably not that small. Probably like there we go, like a 16. All right. Point A is the first touch. Point B, second touch. Point C, third touch. Point D, that fourth touch. What's this? E. Swaggy C taught me this one, and this is how I use trend lines. Points is the touches. So you got each touch, right? I'm trying not to make this video too long. And then you got this one. Those are the points, guys. And when the trend line breaks, now, like I said, the market can do whatever the market want to do. But when a trend line breaks, this will be F. But say you could do like this. Say the candles, boom, boom, break. Touch the zone, back up, rejection. I hit F. Now we going down to E. Then we going down to D. Eventually we gonna get down to A. This ain't how the candles move, but y'all get the point. Y'all get the freaking point. So we're gonna test this out real quick, guys. And like I said, I love using the 15 minutes in the hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes in the hour on platinum. So let's see. So the first thing we're gonna do is work on the trend line breaks. Part 2 of this video, which I will drop, we will incorporate the zones with trend line. So let's see if we can get a trend line break somehow. Like I said, normally I'll go down to a lower time frame, but look at this gap. We just gotta stay up here. So we getting this. That will be what? F. So boom. All right, rejected it. But there's really no clear zone, so I'm not looking. There you go. Look at this. It broke the zone. Now, you can get in for a buy if you want. But because this strong push down to the zone, I wouldn't get in. So, we're going to look for a retest on this trend line. But because it broke this zone, we can look for a retest in this zone. But like I said, we're not looking to use these zones, but I'm gonna just use them just in case. But you see, It hit what? Point E. Broke point F, point E, and watch this. Let's keep going. We at D now. That's a zone. You see what I'm saying? We at D now. Now this can either push back up here and give me a nice little retracement back down, or it can continue down. So let's get in a buy. This is how I would do it if I was getting in on a buy. I know it has to go down here, right? So let's create a zone down here for A. You see how wide my zones is? I love those wide zones. You see what I'm saying? Actually, don't have to be that wide. Yeah, like this. That's a perfect zone. So we're gonna see if we can get this baby back up here. We're going to sacrifice, or not sacrifice. We're gonna risk 53 ticks for this. So we're gonna see what happens. We bought. They bought twice. Oh. All right. We up $150. $340. We down. We up $400. Now we out. So what happened? Like I told you, we knew that it's a bearish movement, and we knew that it was going to touch each of these points, and it's not done yet. That's point B. It has not touched point A yet. So we took an L on that trade, but if we went down to a lower time frame, you probably would have realized that there probably was a area of support down here that stopped it from shooting up. So that's why I love the lower time frames. But anyways, so you could have got, see, we have not got a retracement on this trend line. It just clearly just shot straight down, guys. And there you go. This is how I got funded. Point A, point B, point C, trend line break. Boom. So let's see if we can do another one real quick. Another trend line break. Like I said, we ain't going to focus on support and resistance as much. I don't want to make this video long. I don't even know where we are. Let's see. How long is this video right now? All right, 13 minutes. It's not bad. So we got one more example of trend lines. Wish there was an easier way to. All right, forget it. All right, let's do it. So we broke this zone. So I'm going to draw my zones out. Boom. We're going to probably come back up here and test this zone out. Like I said, test this zone out. Now, the problem is we got zone down here, which is very hard to see. So let's go to the daily real quick and see what it looks like. Actually, it actually hit that. It hit that daily zone. So it should be shooting right back up. So we're going to wait for a break, retest, and see if we can get a trend line built somewhere. So let's do it. What did I tell you? It's shooting up. It hit that daily zone, and now it's going up. Now we can focus on a few things. Our zones again. We got a zone here. So we could be shooting up to this zone. So we're going to see if we can get a retracement down, like something like this. Either to this zone or to this zone. Back up. All right. That's why control your risk. I can't even talk. Control your risk is very, very important. Shoot straight to the zone. Straight to the zone, guys. We didn't even have time to get in. And that's why sometimes I don't wait for the retest, because sometimes the retest might not even show. But we here. Look at this. That's a major rejection, guys. We could be looking for a sell. All right, so let's see if we can create a trend line real quick. Boom, boom. That's actually 3 touches. We can actually sell right now if y'all want. We can actually sell. What I tell you, we can actually sell. Back to this zone. This is what I do all day long, guys. And look, broke the daily. And this time, it closed. It closed. It closed. So right now we gotta just wait until it hit the zone again. Super simple, guys. I'm trying to tell you, I don't know where it's going. All right, we're going back up. Boom. All right. We can go for a sale here. And let's look at this. Yeah, man. We got this zone right here. Let's go for a one-on-one, see if we can do something. Yep. So it pretty much stopped right at this zone. Right at this zone, like I said. Look how powerful it is, man. It stopped right at this zone, guys. Let's replay that. Normally, like I said, I would have my alert right here. Once it hit that alert, I'm in. So technically, I would have been in already. I would have been in that trade. So say I got in right here, right? Boom. I've been in this trade right here. Technically, I've been in right here. Once you get in that middle, and I would have dropped this down right here, and then I would have went for 1 or 2 or something. Look at this. Perfect, bruh. Boom. One or two, perfect. So, yeah, man. So, this is what I love doing, and this is what helped me to get funded, get this 150K. We can do this on any pair, Forex, gold, no matter what. I might try the support and resistance on another set without all those gaps. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you want videos like this as well as you follow my 30-day challenge journey. And you're going to see me get some payouts. You feel me? You're going to see me get some payouts, and I want to see you get some payouts, y'all. You dig? All right. Deuces.